Let's get your Rogers Xfinity remote synced for power, volume, and input control. First, is this truly a Rogers Xfinity remote or an Xfinity remote being used with Rogers service? Regardless, the process is similar. Ensure your remote has fresh batteries. To begin pairing, locate the Setup button, often red, on your remote. Press and hold it until the remote's light changes, indicating it's in pairing mode. Next, you'll need to enter a 3-digit code specific to your TV brand. Common codes include 12178 for Samsung. Check Xfinity's support site for an extensive list. Point the remote at your TV and enter the code. If successful, the TV should respond, for example, turn off or on. If the first code doesn't work, try other codes for your TV brand or use the auto search feature. After code entry, test the power, volume, and input buttons. If they work, congratulations, your remote is synced. If syncing fails, don't worry. First, ensure a clear line of sight between the remote and the TV's IR receiver. Interference from other devices can also cause issues. Reset the remote by holding the Setup button until the light blinks. Try the pairing process again. For volume control issues, especially with newer TVs, HDMI ARC can simplify things by handling audio through the HDMI cable. If you're using a Rogers Ignite setup, explore the Ignite app for voice control options like Turn On TV. If you're still having trouble, double-check your TV's firmware is up to date. Finally, remember that while Xfinity remotes are generally reliable, compatibility issues can arise, particularly with older TVs. Refer to official Xfinity or Rogers support for model-specific assistance. You can also visit xfinity.com/remote or rogers.com/support for more details.